Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In these next two sessions, we will learn about the design rules and checks. So, we will cover this topic in two sessions. So, in this first session, let's open the file which was saved in the last lesson, which was lesson number 56. Currently, make sure that no alignments are created. First, we will create a polyline. We will connect all the axis track points. It is recommended to use polyline instead of standard line. Make sure to click on each point very slowly and steadily so that you don't miss any point. We are halfway done. Let's click on few more points so that our polyline is complete. Once done, we can hit the enter key or the space bar from the keyboard. Then we can go to alignment, create alignment from objects and select this polyline. After hitting enter, it will ask for the direction. It is correct, so we don't need to reverse it. We can simply press enter, then give it the name as axis track 1. The type can be adjusted like center line, offset, or rail. We will go with the center line. The alignment styles can be checked from here. However, we will go with proposed. We can create a new layer like this, give it a name, color, and a type. However, we will add the modifier of suffix as underscore static. For the alignment label set, let's choose all labels. The curves between tangents could be set as 30 meters of default radius. This is the design criteria. Previously, we did not check it. Let's say we want a starting design speed of 40 kilometers per hour. So whether we want to use the criteria based design or use a design criteria file. Here, if you click, you will already see different templates. From here we can choose Autodesk Civil 3D Metric 2011 roadway design or 2018 and so on. After choosing this one, we will have different properties and their values. For the minimum radius table, we are choosing this one. We can go for 2 lane or 4 lane. Let's say 2 lane, and then we can go for the attainment method for this one. We can use the design checks or we can ignore it. For line subdivision street, the length is greater than 5. Let's say we make it as greater than 25. We are doing it on purpose so that we can see the differences. Then for the curve, the radius is 30. After radius, we will see what we can do with spirals. So let's go for the spiral this time. And here you can see the value of A, R and R by 3. So let's not disturb this entire formulation and see the next options by applying it and then pressing OK. Once we press the OK key, now you can see different yellow triangles with an exclamation mark in the center. So these are actually the checks. Here you can see the 40 kilometers per hour speed. Then here's a check. Here's the label. And here's another check. So while we are getting these checks, we can regenerate it to get a clear view, or we can adjust it from here. We will analyze all these checks, see the reason behind these checks, and how we can actually resolve them in the next session. For now, we will save the file as lecture number 57 and then close the software. We will see the second part of this session, which is design rules and checks, in the next session. Till then, take care.